Hey y'all, so as I posted in my short or my other reel, this is me doing the soft locks over my hair, but these one already came pre-styled with the lock knots. So I use this method that I'm going to show you where I put the spring twist hair, which is the wrapping hair, through the loop that's in the crochet hair, which is the crochet soft lock. So I pull off a piece. That's one of the little bundles, the little pieces that come in a bundle. So I pull off a piece and then I loop it through the crochet part of the soft lock. So you end up with two legs. I combine both those legs and I put it on the side of my natural lock. And then I wrap it 2 or 3 times at the base, or maybe more. Let's see. 1, 2, excuse me. The pollen's trying to get me. Child, I wrapped the thing like 4 times. Okay, and then I just loosely wrap going down. And this video is not sped up. This is pretty much, as you see throughout the video, how I wrap. I do get a little speed going. I take all my rings off and just go ahead and, well, I say all my rings, I only wear one, child. Go ahead and wrap, and then the hair clings to itself, as I said in other videos, and keep it moving. Babe was in the bathroom while I was doing my hair and recording because it's a bathroom, and I'm hogging to the bathroom. He had to use it. I was in here for about 2.5, 3 hours, so of course, he would come through at some point. But yeah, so I did that row. I think I only had like 5 in this row, and I wrapped it, and I kept going. And pretty much once I got the base secure, the rest of it was a breeze to fly through. So that was pretty much my setup. Put the pomade, y'all know the pomade I like to use, on my locks to get them all shiny. If I need to use a comb or anything to make sure my parts are clean as possible, go ahead, set up my spring twist hair, loop it through, wrap it around the lock, keep it moving. And that pretty much was it. I'm going to let y'all go ahead and chill and just rewatch the video and watch it out. Enjoy, and please book Nappy Locks. I am located in Fayetteville, North Carolina, Yadkin Road area. Child, this was the last one. I was up here so happy. My arms were so tired doing this hairstyle. So I did a front first because I noticed that my arms were getting tired towards the front and I don't be putting in my best work when it's my hair. So I said, let me do the front first this time. So I said, let me go ahead and put it in the ponytail. But we just moved, so all my stuff is like still kind of packed up. And here is, I'm trying to use the rubber band that came on the soft locks. You know how they ship the locks to you? And that's a little rubber band, so that thing was already stretched to capacity, honey, and I'm trying to make it work. I was getting aggravated, lip poked out, belly hanging out, doing the most. And also, I know I still had the back to do. But the front was done, and I had to be to work the next day. But it was cute. I hadn't done my edges or nothing yet. Which I only got like 2 little edge pieces to do, child. But yeah, trying to tuck it to get it out the way. And then look at me. Trying to stretch that another rubber band out the pack to make a bun. A mess, honey. And that's the back. And of course, y'all know I use my 3-way mirror to do the back, and I will post that video Probably tomorrow or later tonight. Who knows?